Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are comparing Miro versus FigJam in 2025, you are probably looking for the best tools for brainstorming, whiteboarding, or team collaboration. I have tested both, and while they look similar, they are built for slightly different users. So in this video I will break it down and help you pick the one that fits your workflow best. Let's dive in. First of all, we have to know what they are. Both Miro and FigJam are online whiteboard tools, but they come from different worlds. Miro is the features-rich collaboration platform designed for teams doing brainstorming, products planning, and workshop, mind maps, and more. On the other hand, FigJam is built for by Figma, and it's a simpler, more playful tools focused on design terms, teams first ideation, and real-time collaboration. In short, Mirror enterprise ready, structured, powerful. On the other hand, Figma is equal to lightweight, fast, fun for creative teams. The features breakdown, let's compare them side by side. Uh, Infinity Canvas for Mirror Hub also yes, and the Figma Jam also yes, use Infinity Canvas, and templates for Miro is huge library, and Figma Jam is growing test design focused. Real-time collaboration for Figma excellent, and Figma Mirror, and the Figma is also excellent, and sticky notes and shapes for Mirror advanced, and Figma Jam is simple and playful. Then the integration for is strong, Zera, Notion, Jom for Miro, and on the other hand, the Figma integration is strong with Figma Slack. AI tools, smart clustering, diagramming for mirrors, as you can see, and the Figma is AI widget summarize. Price can get PCA skills. Here you can see all the informations are given, free, starter, business, enterprise, and the Figma pricing is affordable, free, and many times. So while both are solid, Miro is more feature rich, while Figma Jam is more lightweight and intuitive. The pros and cons for Miro and Figma Gems. So now the Miro ports tons of templates and board types, great for structure planning, strategy, retorts, workflows, works well for large team and enterprise, a strong integration ecosystem for Miro, and the Miro cons is stepper learning curve, can feel overwhelming for new users, paid plans needed for serious features. And the Figma pros and cons, Figma pros, clean, fast, perfect for design, sprint, or creative seasons, sales seamless Figma integration, easy for use, easy for anyone to jump in and start collaborating, great pricing for startup and small teams. Figma Crons is fewer templates and complex features, not ideal for structure workshop or business planning, less depth if you need advanced workflow or diagrams. So which one should you choose? Choose Mirror if you are managing projects, then product strategy or cross functional workshop. You want structured templates, deep integration, and AI support. Your team needs something scalable and feature rich. On the other hand, Figma you can choose if you are a designer, creative, or product team doing fast idea season. You already use Figma and want seamless back and forth. You want something that clean, simple and fun to use. And yes, some teams actually use both Figma for fast team ideation and Miro for structure follow-up planning. So Miro versus Figma in 2025. Miro is the better choice if you want a powerful, flexible whiteboard for teams planning and complex workflow. And on the other hand, Figma is better choose if you want a fast, fun, design focused tools for creative season and team collaboration. They are both excellent. It just depends on your use cases. Hope you are enjoying this video and it's help for you. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.